Here's money the insurance company almost never mentions. Even after a perfect repair, your car is worth less than it was before the crash. And in Arizona, you can make the at-fault driver's insurer pay for that loss. It's called a diminished value claim. The moment an accident hits your vehicle's history report, buyers and dealers pay less for it. Same car, same repairs, smaller number. On a newer vehicle, that gap can run into thousands of dollars. Arizona allows you to claim that loss against the at-fault driver's insurance on top of the repair bill. But here's what you need to understand. The adjuster is not going to bring it up. Diminished value is paid to the people who ask for it and prove it. Proving it is the key. Start with an independent appraisal that documents your car's value before the crash and after the repair. Keep the repair records. Keep the history report. The difference between those numbers is your claim. 3 things to watch. First, this applies when the other driver was at fault. Claims against your own policy depend on its terms. Second, the newer and cleaner your vehicle's history, the bigger the loss, and the more worth pursuing it is. Third, the deadline. In Arizona, you generally have 2 years, but the sooner the value is documented, the harder it is to dispute. If your car was damaged in a crash that wasn't your fault, don't let the claim end at the body shop. Repair money makes the car whole. Diminished value money makes you whole. A lawyer can tell you in one free conversation whether your diminished value claim is worth pursuing and handle it alongside your injury claim. The number is on your screen.